of the bed project. All right, day number 2. Got a fair bit done. Got the bookshelf almost done. So that is the face of the bookshelf. We still need to chamfer the edges. This will be the top of the bookshelf right there. Unfortunately, we are out of 3/4. This is Aspen, by the way. Cheaper than Baltic birch. It's pretty low quality. It comes from the Big Orange store. We'll probably use 1/2 inch, which I still have a sheet of. I got to make the track sides out of that. So we'll probably end up using that for the bottom, maybe do 2 shelves. I'm still debating on doing a dado for the shelf. It'll add some rigidity to it. I did some more work to the top. This is all done. I just need to sand it, get it nice and cleaned up. One of the things I didn't think about is the structures that go up. So flipped over, this is the back of the bed. The supports have to go out from there, from the front. And I didn't really think about that. I was in a hurry to get this done and get a bunch more pieces cut out. What I'll probably end up doing is just coming in here and doing a hack job. I'll have to cut that out to put in the 2x3 supports. They do come in on a straight at the back of the bed. These will come out on a bit of an angle like so. So yeah, these fronts, give me 1 second, I'll show you how they work. So how I did the fronts, this is not easy on camera. You ever have those drill bits that just are way too tight? So I made these so that they can come off. So I'll be able to run the switches on the back side of this panel and run them through the back of this. I got some electrical gussets that I can run, either that or run them through. But again, even though it's low voltage DC, I don't want my kid chewing on these wires. We won't get much of a shock, but I still don't want that to happen. So they fit in there quite nice. That definitely added a lot more stability to this. I was a little bit worried that this support was not going to be enough if he did find a way to become a monkey and climb himself up on top of the bed and jump on it, which that's what toddlers do. I'm going to continue this tomorrow. So thanks for following along with this one. I will be back in the morning and we'll finish up this. I plan on doing the supports and putting it on the sides, getting that together and hopefully finishing the bookshelf. That would be great if I could do that. And then onto the tracks, which that is the tracks. You can kind of see it. It's somewhere in there, there, like tracks. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a good night. I'll talk to you soon.